Liang Pyrshah haka yang dorbar thawan ke Jela Meghalaya haka kenta kali Jingkylli haka singi besau jong dorbar mang tingka haka arpoi tari urempang arjar besau kalau bo Jingkylli halor ki jing ai benta ki badai syaki Nongbishar. Haba jubab ke menteri ke badai kemi ke tanat law ke Dr. Mazel Ampri Lingdo kalau ong. Bagi jing ai benta ki dai kat kum ki kendon bala proj dak bat kedau baka bai your secretarial assistant bat nong tri yeng jong chief justice kalong san pawajar tingka garba jong judge bat kalong sau pawajar tingka. Nolor kini kabai sumar syaki Nongbishar badang dan haka kamru kalong kat kum bala prut dak dak Meghalaya medical attendance rules arja arpuai haki hospital ki balayate. Unong thawan ke Kongres na umsning u Dr. Celestin Lingdo ulakwa bantip laki Nongbishar ki bahap trai satang lai benai ki dang yo ye ki jing ai benta bat ke jubab kalong badang penjalan ye ki kumbalong haki wei ki jella. Nolor Dr. Celestin, unong thawan ke All India Trinamool Congress uba Charles Pingruk ulak kedau. Bahaki Meghalaya House sebar jella, bun sen ki Nongbishar bala Shongthait ki kham yok lat bat ketapat ya ki MLA niki wei pat ki bawat jakasa.
Reply to star question 56A, sir. 1. Secretarial assistance under domestic help allowances, Chief Justice, 50,000 per month, judges 40,000 per month. 2. Medical facilities, sir. Full medical reimbursement as applicable to the sitting judge under the Meghalaya Medical Attendance Rules 2021 in all empaneled hospitals. B, sir, yes. C, sir, yes.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to express my gratitude to the Minister in charge law for the reply. My supplementary question is, do the retired judges continue to be VVIP after retirement?
So, VVIP, can the Honourable Member explain the term VVIP?
Very, very important persons. I ask this question because whenever we go to Meghalaya houses, Delhi or Kolkata, we always get the reply from staffs that so and so room are booked for retired judges for this and that. So that is why I want to know, do they continue to be as VIP as they are during the service?
Honourable Speaker, sir, it is a gesture of the state of government, the government of Meghalaya. We are mandated, sir, to maintain these statuses of.
Mr. Speaker, sir.
Please continue with your next supplementary.
So the next supplementary that I want to ask is, if a judge, question number C, comes to give their service to the Meghalaya High Court with 3 months left for service, if we have to maintain and deliver all the perks and facilities for a small state like Meghalaya, I feel in due course it will be a big burden. Can this House review the facilities provided or maybe set certain conditions as who is entitled the duration of service when they give it to the High Court of Meghalaya? The time frame. That is my question, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, all of these facilities accorded to justices and judges of the High Court are mandated by an Act of Parliament, sir. We are committed to these obligations. And further, sir, several Supreme Court judgments have also recommended for these necessary interventions, sir.
Yes, but Charles, please.
Sir, in the case of the second supplementary raised by the Honourable Member, Dr. Celestin, may I know then, sir, in the case of a retired justice or a Chief Justice, what is the warrant of precedence vis-a-vis a retired justice and an Honourable MLA of the Legislative Assembly?
So to give a very correct information on this, I will require notice.
I agree that the information is not available with the Honourable Minister. To my knowledge, sir, any retired person cannot, by a warrant of precedence, cannot supersede the seniority or the entitlement above a member of the Legislative Assembly. It has happened in the past to many colleagues of ours in the House that when they go to the Meghalaya houses in different parts of the country, they have been refused accommodation. I mean, they have been shifted to some other accommodation because it has been reserved for the former justice. Perhaps the government would like to look into this and verify whether the warrant of precedence allows that or not.
Point noted, Honourable Speaker, sir.